Namaste everyone. Today's topic is standing asanas. So before we start our standing asanas, let's recap our last session. So in last session we did Surya Namaskar. So we perform Surya Namaskar exercise 2 times. Then we start with our standing asanas. Let's get ready for our Surya Namaskar. Stand straight and count the position numbers. We all will do the same. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax. We'll do this exercise one more time. Okay, let's do it. Get into the position. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax. Relax your body. Okay. So today we are going to start our standing asanas. In that asanas we will perform stretching exercises. Relax your body properly. Okay. We will perform each exercise 3 times. Okay. So you will just watch me and follow me. First exercise is a Hasta Uttanasana. Okay. So you know Hasta Uttanasana from the Surya Namaskar, right? Okay. Let's perform this one time. Okay. I am changing my angle. Ready? Hands in the front. Legs straight. Breathe in and take your hands up. Breathe out and lean behind and hold this position. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. So whenever we are breathing in, we'll take our hands up. Whenever we are breathing out, we'll lean behind. Okay? And we'll hold our breath. We will not do continuous breathing and breathe out. Okay, we'll hold our breath as much as we can, and we'll come back to the normal position by taking breath in and breathe out. Okay, let's do it one more time. Stand straight, everyone. Hands in the front. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Relax your body. Okay, one more time we'll do this exercise. Get ready. Okay, this time I'm standing straight. Okay, hands in the front. Breathe in. Breathe out and in the end. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Relax your body. Okay. Now we are going to do Hasta Padasana. Okay, Hast Pad, touching our hands to our legs. This exercise also we learn in the Surya Namaskar. Okay, let's do it. Stand straight, hands in the front. We breathe in, take our hands up, breathe out, and touching our hands to our legs. Ready? Start. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold this position, hold your breath as much as you can. Then breathe in, come up. Breathe out, hands down. Relax. We'll do this exercise one more time, two more times. Okay, let's do it. Stand straight, hands in the front. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold this position, hold your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Relax your body. One more time we'll do this exercise. Okay, get ready. Stand straight, hands in the front. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold this position. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Okay, so next exercise is Tadasana. Okay, in this exercise we'll stand on our foot and we'll raise our heels up. Okay, and we'll stretch our hands up. Okay, get ready. Stand on one position. Stand straight. Okay, both the hands up. Join your hands. Twist it up. And now stretch your hands and legs upwards and hold this position as much as you can. Hold this position. Do normal breathing and breathe out. Now relax. Hands down. Relax your body. We'll do this exercise 2 more times. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, stand straight. Take your hands up. Join, twist, and stretch. Raise your heels up, everyone. Yes, very good. Hold this position as much as you can. Then relax. Come down. Keep your hands down. Relax. Okay, one more time we'll do this same exercise. Stand straight. Hands up. Hold. Fold. Stretch. Hold. Hold this position as much as you can. Everyone on your toes. Your heels should be in the air. Relax. Relax your body. Okay, now we are going to perform Triyog Tadasana. Okay, Tri means three. Okay, Yog means ways. Okay, in three ways we are going to do the Tadasana exercise. Okay, the posture will be the same. Okay, distance between both of your legs. The hands up, fold and stretch. Now stretch towards your right side and hold this position as much as you can. And come back, relax. Okay, so whenever we are twisting our body, we will not bend in the front. Okay, we will not bend in the front, we will twist it this way. Okay, again, get ready. Hands up, twist up, and now move towards your left side. Okay, hold this position, everyone. Stretch your hands, stretch your body. Relax. Two more times we'll do this exercise. Okay, now we are going to do it continuously. Okay, relax your body. Okay, now let's do it. Hands up towards your right side. This is 1. In the center, this is 2. Towards your left side, it is 3. Again back to the center and hands down. One more time we'll do this same exercise. Okay. Hands up, hold and fold towards your right side. Hold in the center. Hold towards your left side. Hold center and hands down. Relax. Okay, now we are going to practice Trikonasana, triangle pose. Trikon, it means triangle. Okay, so we'll make our body look like a triangle. Okay, so for that we'll spread out both the legs wide open. Okay, breathe in and take your both the hands sideways. Breathe out and lean towards your right side. Hold this position, everyone. Hold your breath. Again, breathe in. Come up. Breathe out. Hands down. Relax, everyone. Okay, let's do it one more time. Spread your legs. Breathe in, take your hands up. Breathe out and lean towards your left side now. Your legs should be straight. Bend it from your waist. Hold this position. Breathe in. Come up. Breathe out. Hands down. Relax. we'll perform this activity 2 more times. This time we'll do it continuously, right side and left side continuously. Okay, get ready. Spread out both the legs. Breathe in, breathe out and lean towards your right side. Breathe in, come up, hold this position. Now breathe out and towards your left side. Breathe in, come up, breathe out, hands down, relax. One more time we'll do this exercise. Okay, get ready, spread your hands, spread your legs. Breathe in, take your both the hands up. Breathe out towards the right side. Breathe in, come up. Hold this position. Now breathe out towards the left side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Okay, now we are going to practice Parshva Konasana. Okay, for that again we'll spread out both the legs. Okay, we'll fold our hands behind. Okay, breathe in, breathe out and try to touch your chest to your leg. First we'll do it from our right side. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold this position, hold your breath. Breathe in, come up. Now we'll do it towards our left side. Breathe out and bend. Breathe in, come up, relax. 2 more times we'll do this exercise. Okay, get ready. Spread your legs, hands behind. Breathe in towards your right side. Breathe out and go down. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out towards the left side. Breathe in, come up. Relax. Okay, now we are going to perform warrior pose. Okay, now we perform warrior pose 2 times. Okay, warrior pose 1 and warrior pose 2. There are 2 activities. First we will perform warrior pose 1, then we will perform warrior pose 2. Okay, get ready. For that, spread your legs again. Okay, now turn towards your right side. We'll fold our right leg in the front this way, left leg straight behind. Breathe in, take our hands up and hold this position and hold your breath. Breathe out and hands down. Now we'll do this from our left side. Put your left leg, hands apart, breathe in, take your hands up. Hold this position, hold your breath. Breathe out and hands down. Come back to the normal position, relax. Okay, one more time we'll do this exercise. Spread your legs, turn to your right side. Pull your right leg. Breathe in. Hold this position, hold your breath. Breathe out. Towards your left side now. Hold your left leg. Breathe in and hands up. Hold this position, hold your breath. Breathe out and hands down. Relax. Now we will perform warrior pose number 2. Okay. Spread out both the legs. Okay. Now look straight. Fold your right leg. Breathe in and take your hands up. Hold this position. Breathe out, hands down. Now fold your left leg. Breathe in. Hold this position. Breathe out, hands down. Relax. Okay, one more time. Hold your right leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Towards your left side, hold your left leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Okay. Now we are going to perform Kati Chakrasana. Okay. For that, take our left hand behind, the right hand in the front. Fold both the hands and twist your body towards your left side now. Hold this position. From front. Relax. Now your right hand behind, left hand in front. Twist your body towards your right side. Hold this position. Twist your body as much as you can. Come front. Relax. One more time we do this exercise. Okay. Left hand behind, right hand in the front. Twist your body. Hold this position. Come front. Relax. Now your right hand behind, left hand in the front. Twist your body. Come front. Relax. Relax your body, everyone. Relax your body. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.